If LibreOffice is showing a DLL error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether you're seeing VCRUNTIME140.dll, VCRUNTIME141.dll, MSVCP140.dll, or a LibreOffice specific file like sofficeapp.dll, mergelo.dll, or sofficeapp.dll, the fix is usually straightforward once you know what the error means. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials that save you time and frustration. Let's start with the most common case first. If you see errors like VCRUNTIME140.dll, VCRUNTIME141.dll, or MSVCP140.dll, that usually means your Windows system is missing the core Microsoft Visual C runtime files that LibreOffice needs to launch properly. These files are not part of LibreOffice itself, so reinstalling the app alone usually will not solve the problem. To fix this, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributable download page. Make sure you use the official Microsoft website so you avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Once you are on the page, look for the x64 version of the installer, usually named VCRUNTIME140.dll. If you're on a modern 64-bit Windows system, this is the version you want in most cases. Download the installer, then open the file once the download is complete. When the setup window appears, follow the prompts and complete the installation. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes. After the installation finishes, restart your computer. This restart is important because it lets Windows load the new runtime files correctly. After your computer turns back on, try opening LibreOffice again. In many cases, that alone fixes the DLL error completely. Now let's move on to the second type of error. If you are seeing files like sofficeapp.dll, mergelo.dll, sofficeapp.dll, or even similar LibreOffice related DLL names, that usually points to a problem with the LibreOffice installation itself. The file may have been damaged during installation, interrupted during an update, or removed by antivirus software. To repair LibreOffice, open the Windows control panel first. You can search for Control Panel in the Start menu if needed. Once it opens, go to Programs, then click Programs and Features. This will show you a list of all installed applications on your PC. Scroll through the list and find LibreOffice. Once you see it, click on it and choose Change. This opens the LibreOffice Setup wizard. In that wizard, select the Repair option. The repair process will scan the installation, restore missing application files, and fix broken components without removing your documents, preferences, or personal settings. Let the repair finish completely. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes. Once it is done, restart your computer again to make sure everything loads correctly. If LibreOffice still doesn't open after that, it may be worth checking whether your antivirus quarantined one of the program files. In that case, you may need to restore the file or reinstall LibreOffice from the official website. So to recap, if the DLL error mentions Microsoft runtime files like VCRUNTIME140.dll or MSVCP140.dll, install the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. If the error mentions LibreOffice files like sofficeapp.dll or sofficeapp.dll, use the repair option from Programs and Features. These two fixes solve most LibreOffice DLL errors quickly and safely. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.